In this video, I will guide you how to insert picture in shape in MS Word. First, go to the insert on the top ribbon, click on that and click on the shapes. Click on that and pick the rectangle rounded. Draw the shape and after that click on this layout option and click on the square, and now right click and click on the format shape, and here is the fill. You need to click on the no fill if you want no fill in the shape, but if you want to insert picture or texture, you need to click on this option, picture or texture fill, and here you can insert a picture. Click on that from a file, and here is the picture you want to insert in it. Click on insert, and here is the picture inserted inside shape, and here is the transparency. You can increase or decrease the transparency of the inserted picture. So if you want to rotate the shape with picture, then you click on this option, rotate with shapes, and when you rotate this, it will move with the shape. So from this point you can resize it as per your need. From here you can sharpen the edges of the shape. So in this way you can easily insert picture in shape in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.